Hello, a quick tip how to remove shadows or light reflections. Here it is some reflections of this text. So select this text and in EV mode go to blend mode, I think. Yes, blend mode, alpha blend, and as you can see some part are removed. So enable backface culling. And it works, it looks fine. So as you can see, no more green text. Let's do the same with the yellow text. Alpha blend and backface culling. The reflections are removed. So let's try to do with this object, planet, and alpha blend again and backface culling. Yes, and here it is, no more shadows on the plane. Thank you for watching, see you.